If your product hunt teaser looks like a ghost town, you're missing out big time. First up, I gave my product hunt teaser image a glow up. My man Zaid suggested adding some social proof and boom, instant credibility boost. Go check it out and tell me it doesn't look slick now. Next, I powered through the remaining 210 websites on my list to submit Launch Fast. Honestly, a lot of them were just not great, but I did find some gems. Tomorrow, I'll curate a list of the best ones just for you guys. And lastly, I took a crack at a new logo. My current one got a 7 out of 21 from Zaid. Ouch, right? But I whipped up a SpaceX-inspired draft and scored a 14 out of 21. Improvement, still it's a bit amateurish, but I'm pumped to do even better tomorrow. So, what's on the docket for tomorrow? 1. I'm curating a list of top websites where you can submit your products. 1. Taking Zaid's feedback to heart and crafting a killer landing page and logo. 1. Sifting through insights from 9 recorded test drives with devs and listing out improvements. 1. Implementing those improvements one by one for a delightful CLI experience. 1. Recording a video showing off Launch Fast and plastering it everywhere. 1. And of course, hunting for more folks to join the party on X because you know I love that. That's it, folks. Have a great weekend.